One of them was talking earlier about censorship.
Yeah, it was some idiot put that on the playlist. That wasn't a song. Alright, let me start over.
What's called? That was an interesting segment of idiot chat.
Hijack the Ripper. Hijack the Ripper. I've noticed that too. Whenever I put when I go through YouTube playlists for like cartoons or something, there's always one in the middle that's just like, "Please help donate to this charity." I'm like, sure, I'll I'm always happy to donate, but why is this in a cartoon playlist exactly? Seeing as I got the bots music low, you can put on other some cartoons, like car music, like racing music if you want. It's up to you guys.
If you're interested.
Ow. Sun breaks a little too hard on that. %. Oh god, this is gonna be a long race. That explains the Colossus thing. It is really like one of those rallies. You have to go all the way across the map. That works. This is a cross-country thing. Yeah, I can't do drifting to save my fucking life. Drifting is hard. Almost there. 13%. Oh boy, we're in this for the long haul, gentlemen.
Oh dear.
Because of the difficulty settings, though, we are miles away from the competition, though. I wonder what this must be like in the harder difficulties, though. There we go, that's a good drift. I swear, I thought today was Sunday. Like, I don't know if it's because of how slow... The day just felt really slow, you know?
Yeah,
Well, I mean,
there were days like that when it felt like it.
If Sunday today for me.
I mean, it's Sunday now, I know, but like, a while back I thought it was like back 5 p.m., 3 p.m. like yesterday. I was like, man, is it Sunday or Saturday? I don't know. The day just felt like it dragged, you know? It's like you're on the computer for like an hour and a half, but it's like, no, it's only been 30 minutes. I don't know.
Yeah, I've been feeling like that mostly because of my headache. I don't know if it's because of caffeine or if it's a side effect of COVID.
This is a lot. We have not even scratched the surface. We're not even at 30%. Oh boy, this really is like a trip all around Mexico. %, now. Getting there. Wonder how Zach's doing.
So I got.
Oh, go ahead. Sorry.
And I was just gonna say that I got Tubi.
Oh yeah.
On my Roku device.
Tubi's a decent site to get to see some cartoons and movies.
Versus.
Oh, you're watching Dan Versus on it?
Yeah.
I haven't seen that
it's
show.
one of the free shows. I'm enjoying it so far.
All I know about that show is it's like, isn't it about like a guy, Dan, who's just always angry or something?
Yeah.
That's the whole premise. Dan is pissed off at something.
Yeah. Yeah. From what I'm seeing, a lot of the anger that Dan goes through is pretty justified. Like, the most bizarre shit happens to him.
Oh god, somehow those cars are still... Okay, the cars are not far behind, but they are still trailing. Yeah, like that Dan Versus thing has popped up on my YouTube feed. It's like as a show I could buy if I wanted to. It's like, eh. Dan Versus AI, that's what we need. What would Dan think about AI? Oh shit.
Well, he hates technology, so...
Interesting premise for a show. It's like Dan versus ridiculous shit. Dan versus the world.
I could totally see this on... You know, I could totally see this on Adult Swim if they were to get a reboot.
Yeah?
Yeah, that could work.
%, and we have barely... We're almost halfway there, guys. This is literally cross-country race. Tour de France, but with cars. I hate these fucking turns. Oh, come on. That counted. Fuck that noise. This is the sloppiest driving I've ever had. Clean racing is a careen against the fucking wall. Maybe. But yeah, I hope Zach's alright. See, he was talking to that one guy.
Yeah, I just really hope this will go over smoothly for him.
That's how I greet people where I'm from. I careen against the side of the wall. I'm leaving my John Hancock on the side of everyone's walls. I like this sort of thing, but it's like I can see where people don't normally do this unless it's part of like the story or whatever, because it's like you really have to be patient with this. This really is a test of endurance. 51%. As I damage the car thoroughly. I think if this were real life, my guy would have had a broken arm at this point. Barely.
This is sponsored by Horizon Pulse.
Well, the front of the car's not damaged, that's a relief, but the side of the cars sure are. Sorry! A while back I was doing this thing called the Horizon Arcade, which is part of this game. It's like little mini games for extra points and rewards, and I happened to drive into it by accident while driving the Barbie car, and the first one was like how many times like score as many points as you can. So because the car has like very sloppy handling, I kept doing like the drift, like just left, right, and like careening into like trees and plants and shit like that. And I wound up getting like 65,000 points out of that because I kept it going. And it was just like, I was happy about that. I would have recorded it, but fucking the bot music the music was pretty loud, so I had to lower it. I think I would have gotten in trouble if I had left it on, because, you know, copyright and shit, but
Yeah.
it would have been funny as hell, though. Ari is Barbie, winning the Horizon Arcade. 60%. Oh, God. The car is just fucking right. Well, if I was going for a world record on this one, I clearly lost it. I suck at drifting. I wonder what this would be like with a full 12 players, though. Imagine you and 11 other randos going all in for this one. High stakes road race, cross country. Straight up fucking having to drive the whole way through. Sorry. %. Let's go. Even my guy's feeling tired, I bet. It's just like, oh god. Thank God it's only cosmetic damage. Like if my car breaks down, immediate forfeit. I thought this would just be another race. This truly is the Colossus. Ooh, there it goes, some drifting. %70. And this is just novice too, like wonder what the harder difficulty is, like professional or whatever. %25 left to go. Sorry. Almost 80%. Okay. Damn it. Oh god, they're coming. Go, 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 go. Oh shit, they're on my ass. Let's go. %82. Shocking twist, Ari does not hit the side of the wall. Ooh. There you go. %87. Oh, now we're at the beach. Here we go. About to make it, guys. 10%. Let's fucking go. Oh shit. Sandy dunes? What is it? Here we go. I can smell it. We're almost done. kid. No, you don't. Alright. 93%? Five. $96. 97. $99. This is it, guys. We did it. The car is fucking totaled. The car is fucking thrashed. That was.
But you are victorious. Sacrifices need to be made.
Oh, God. Holy hell. That is a long one. If I ever do that again, I'm going to do that and practice my drifting, because Jesus.
What a win. Not bad, superstar. You can come and race with me anytime.
Someone's in a space outfit. And I would like to drive. I would drive 5. What's with the dude's space uniform? Oh, fuck yeah, look at that. And we did it. Holy fuck, we did it. Worth it. Alright. So, Tyree Night? Or VR chat?
And I'm feeling pretty tired right now.
Okay, yeah, fair enough. That took forever. That was just insane. Holy hell. Alright, let me park here. Alright, let's see what we got here. Cars. Car mastery. One wheel spin. DeLorean? Oh, a Ford 1965 Transit. Okay. DeLorean? Give me a DeLorean. Oh, no DeLorean. Let's see. Accolades. And I would drive 500 more. Yes. All right. All right. Well, I'll still hang around if you guys want to.
Hi, Kai the Lion.
Huh?
Yeah, Kai the Lion joined us.
Oh, hey. I was about to head out, or I could take a break from this game. I could put in something else, but it's up to you guys if you want to hang out. Like, I'm free all night. So I can keep playing this game. We can just chat, shoot the shit, or what do you think? What do you guys want to do? Just want to hang out, I guess.
Maybe.
Yeah.
Fair enough. All right. Let's see here. Should I just have this card delivered to? Yes. Alright. I'm kind of curious, what was my record for, like... Post a clean time on the clip? Okay. Okay, the arcade is going on. Made in Mexico. Buggy in the Baja chapter.
I just got my hands on a piece of Mexican racing history. Wanna see?
Of course! I'm on my way.
I love how giddy my avatar is, like, of course! Yes! I wish to see it. Whee! Oh god!
You have arrived at your destination.
I sure did. You get rewards. You kind of get like a... I wouldn't say you get rewarded, but it's always nice to fill out the roads too. It's like roads discovered. Ah! Shit. Ollie, is Zach on?
Let me check. No, he's still on. Well, he's still invisible.
Let's see this. Buggy in the Baja. I think these are my favorite because you don't necessarily have to. Some of them don't have like time
Let me
requirements,
guess.
and if they
Today's
do, you can
episode of
fuck around
Mexican
with them.
Automotive History with Ramiro is about the Baja 1000.
You are very perceptive, my friend. This dune buggy was the first car to race here. Let's take it for a spin.
Watch me drive through the fucking mountains.
The Baja 1000 is probably the most prestigious race held in Mexico.
Yep.
Do you know how it all started?
I assume the Myers Manx has something to do with it.
Correct again. The Baja 1000 started as a very elaborate marketing campaign for the car you're driving. But let me start from the beginning. On the 22nd of March, 1962, Dave Eakins and Billy Robertson did the first real Baja run. They went from Tijuana to La Paz in 39 hours, 56 minutes on new Honda CL72 Scrambler motorcycles. So they probably were a bit sore afterwards. They got a lot of media coverage though. A year later, Myers started to work on a prototype buggy he called Old Red in his garage in Newport Beach.
No,
It was
you don't
based on
say.
the VW Beetle, and it paved the way for what we know as buggies. Cars that are built for off-roading using the Beetle as a donor chassis. But I guess they wanted even more publicity because in April 1967, Myers decided to make an attempt at breaking Eakins' record. And it worked! Myers did it.
How
in
can this guy
34
still talk
hours and
considering
45
I'm
minutes,
practically
beating
killing
Eakins
him?
for more than 5 hours. The rivalry was known as Buggy Beats Bike in Baja. Sounds like something you did back in the UK, doesn't it?
How this guy is still keeping on a happy
Turn
face?
left.
Okay, I like this. Just driving along the sand dunes is fucking great. And here we are, we're in Dos Palos, welcome aboard. Oh, Jesus. Jesus, this game's got it all. Fucking sand dunes, too? Jesus.
It has everything.
Myers Manx became an overnight sensation as a result, and suddenly they were friendly races all across the Baja. It
sound
wasn't long
like you
before
said
they
friendly
realized they needed
racists.
something more organized. That was Mexican 1000. Guess who won the inaugural event?
Mars Max?
You're on fire today! Yes, in 27 hours and 38 minutes. The official race was 100 miles shorter than the original route, but it's still impressive. The Mexican 1000 was later renamed
I feel bad for all the
Baja
corn.
1000, and is run to this day.
In 200 yards, turn left.
Roads? We're going, we don't need roads.
In 100 yards, turn
Oh,
left.
there's another part? Come on, 20 seconds. 10.
In 100 yards,
Shit!
turn left.
Okay. The sheer lack of excitement in this voice chat is amazing right now.
I love that story.
You
My
guys still
abuela used to
alive?
tell it to me at least
Sorry.
Oh
man.
yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah.
I want to do that again. That was fucking wild. Alright. As Samson and Rocky did this. No? I'm the only one. I could do better than that. I want to get 3 stars though. Alright. Let's see if we can go 3 stars on this. Fuck
The
it.
Baja 1000
Hustle.
is probably the most prestigious race held in Mexico. Do you know how it all started?
I assume the Mars Manx has something to do with it.
Correct again. The Baja 1000 started as a very elaborate marketing campaign for the car you're driving. But let me start from the beginning. On the 22nd of March, 1962, Dave Eakins and Billy Robertson did the first real Baja run. They
No.
went from Tijuana to La Paz in 39 hours, 56 minutes on new Honda CL72 Scrambler motorcycles. So they probably were a bit sore afterwards. They got a lot of media coverage though.
Fascinating.
A year later, Myers started to work on a prototype buggy he called Old Red in his garage in Newport Beach. It was based on
Wow.
the VW Beetle, and it paved the way for what we know as buggies. Cars that are built for off-roading using the Beetle as a donor chassis. But I guess they wanted even more publicity because in April 1967, Myers decided to make an attempt at breaking Eakins' record. And it worked! Myers
This
did
guy
it
dropping some
in
serious
34
lore
hours
dump right
and
here.
45 minutes, beating Eakins for more than 5 hours. The rivalry was known as Bud
34
Beats
hours
Fighting
at
Back.
45 minutes?
Sounds like something you did back in the UK, doesn't it?
Yeah. When Ari lived in London. Straighten the car out. There you go.
Myers Max became an overnight sensation as a result, and suddenly they were friendly races all across the Baja.
I swear to God,
It
I
wasn't
keep
long before
mishearing
they
it as
realized
friendly
they needed something
racists.
more organized. And that was Mexican
It
1000.
just sounds.
Doesn't it? It
Guess
sounds
who
like it
won
says
the
friendly
inaugural
event?
racists.
Mars Max?
How's that even
You're
possible?
on fire today! Yes, in 27 hours and 38 minutes. The official race was 100 miles shorter than the original route, but it's still impressive. The Mexican 1000 was later renamed to the Baja 1000, and is run to this day.
Shit.
In 100 yards, turn right.
I'm not gonna make it. Yeah, there's like one. Damn it! There's gotta be a way to do. I guess okay, you know what? Maybe I should just drive it along the path, right? Instead of taking those stupid shortcuts. Let's play it
The
straight.
Baja
Let's play it
1000
straight.
is probably the most prestigious race held in Mexico. Do you know how it all started?
I assume the Mars Max has something to do with it.
Correct again. The Baja 1000 started as a very elaborate marketing campaign for the car you're driving. But let me
Fuck
start
it.
from the beginning. On the 22nd of March, 1962, Dave Eakins and Billy Robertson did the first real Baja run. They went from Tijuana to La Paz in 39 hours, 56 minutes on new Honda CL72 Scrambler motorcycles. So they probably were a bit sore afterwards. They got a lot of media coverage though. A year later, Myers started to work on a prototype buggy he called Old Red in his garage in Newport Beach. It was based on the VW Beetle, and it paved the way for what we know as buggies. Cars that are built for off-roading using the Beetle as a donor chassis. But I guess they wanted even more publicity because in April 1967, Myers decided to make an attempt at breaking Eakins' record. And it worked! Myers
Now remember,
did it
guys, this is all gonna be on the
34
test
hours
soon.
and 45 minutes, beating Eakins for more than 5
Ollie, don't forget you got
hours.
school tomorrow.
The rivalry was known as Buggy Beats Bike.
Fortunately, me, I actually have church. in
Sounds
the
like something you
morning
did back in the
because I
UK,
had to
doesn't it?
wake up early for the math.
Boom! There goes the car.
Myers Max became an overnight sensation as a result, and suddenly they were friendly races all across the Baja.
Friendly racists. Stop
It
it!
wasn't long before
I
they
don't
realized
care.
they needed something more organized. And that was Mexican 1000. Guess who won the inaugural event?
The most friendly racist of them
You're on
all.
fire today! Yes, in 27 hours and 38 minutes. The official race was 100 miles shorter than the original route, but it's still impressive. The Mexican 1000 was later renamed to the Baja 1000 and is run to this day.
There we go.
Turn around when it is safe to do so. In 100 yards, turn
There
left.
we go. We're gonna make it, guys. 3 stars. No! No! Come on, come on. Dude, come on. Come on. There we go. I tried to avoid the R. I tried to avoid rewinding, but
Turn left.
That never happened. I don't remember it going like that.
In 100 yards, turn left.
And there. 30 seconds.
I love that story. My abuela used to tell it to me at least once a year.
Yes, I'm sure they were very happy about that. 3 minutes, 32 seconds, 2:22. Alright, cool. Show gamer card. There we go. Whew.
Hey, come quick! Papa Fernando needs your help.
Okay. I'll be right there.
Hola, amigo.
Have you heard of the Carrera Panamericana? I've just been told about another barn find nearby. Shall we go find it? 100 yards. Turn left.
So how you doing, Kai the Lion? I can't check the no mic though, unfortunately. What is he saying anything on no mic out of curiosity? Like, cause,
Let me check.
I think he said like he doesn't have like a working mic or his.
Oh, he recently said nope, and he recently said chilling.
That's good. Hey, nothing wrong with chilling on a Saturday night or Sunday
Hi,
morning.
Rocky.
Hey.
Hey, bean guy.
Hey. So yeah, I got Forza 5, my dude. Maybe we could play together with Samson. Just go cruising.
Wait. What you mean? Like, what is this thing cross-platform or like what?
It should be, because I see your username pops up from time to time when I'm driving. Like it
What am I
says,
driving at?
I am driving in a. Hold on.
No, what have you seen me driving in?
I haven't kept track. I honestly haven't kept track. To be
I think.
honest.
Oh yeah, that's right. Cause Forza's like a freaking Xbox thing. I think.
Yeah. Yeah, like it shows your name pop up and just picks like a random car that you might have or own or something.
I usually drive around in a freaking Mustang.
This game is really fun and chill. Like I don't even do it for the races. I like to just put on music and just cruise and smash shit.
Wait. Pull up the map. I have to tell you something. As this takes place in my motherland, or I should say
Mexico.
like my. Yeah, literally my family's motherland. Okay, zoom out.
I think this is as far as I can actually zoom out. I don't know if there's.
I'll say this. I don't know about to roast this map, just out of fun. This is the most wonkiest map of Mexico I've ever seen.
Yeah.
Because I'm like, why is Baja California a coastline? I'm like, it's a peninsula. I've been down there. I'm like, where the fuck is Mexico City? See, like, this is where it gets weird as shit. Where is it? Yeah, Riviera Maya. That's on the other, like, you see how over to the east?
Yeah.
Yeah, to the east.
Like around here? Or
That's west.
west?
I say
Oh,
east.
yeah, you derp. I'm sorry. Ooh.
Yeah, you see how there's like that continuous piece of landmass going to the east down south?
Yeah.
Yeah, like there, how it's going like east. Yeah, that's where it is supposed to be. It's literally a peninsula. And I'm like, why is the Riviera Maya like in the area like where my mom and her family's from in Mexico? You know what? Let me pull up. I'm over here trying to say like, let me pull up a map of my motherland.
This game is chill as fuck, though, not gonna lie. Like, I gotta show you this. Standard procedure. Oh, yeah, see? There it says Samson Silva. That's Samson. A doom horn. Barn finds in this area.
I'm about to put in on my.
There's that barn. Barn
You
is,
have arrived at your destination.
barn is somewhere here for that car. lot of the cars that they've gifted me, I'm not really into. But whenever I find like a movie car, it's fucking A. Like it gives me like a whole new lease on life because it's like, man, fucking GTA was that thing for a while.
There it is. Like I sent over a map. Literally, see, this is what I mean. We got 2 peninsulas.
Here, let me check it out real quick. Let me pause the recording.